Welcome to Yo-Yo Kids Tube. Let's unlock your learning superpowers.
Hello kids. Today we will learn the names of air vehicles. Helicopter. This is a helicopter. It flies up and down using spinning blades. It is used for rescue, travel, and filming from the sky. Airplane. This is an airplane. It flies high in the sky and carries people from one city to another. It has long wings and a powerful engine. Jet plane. This is a jet plane. It is very fast and makes a loud sound. Jet planes are used for travel and by the Air Force. Glider. This is a glider. It flies without an engine and moves smoothly in the air. It's light and quiet. Hot air balloon. This is a hot air balloon. It floats in the sky using hot air. People ride in the basket and enjoy the view. Hang glider. This is a hang glider. People fly it by holding onto a light frame and gliding through the air. Drone. This is a drone. It is a small flying machine controlled by a remote. It takes pictures and videos from the sky. Airship blimp. This is an airship or blimp. It floats in the sky and is often used for advertising or watching sports events. Space shuttle. This is a space shuttle. It takes astronauts to space and brings them back to Earth safely. Rocket. This is a rocket. It flies very high into space. Astronauts use it to go to the moon and beyond. Seaplane. This is a seaplane. It can land on both water and land. It's used for traveling to islands. Cargo plane. This is a cargo plane. It carries goods, boxes, and heavy items instead of passengers. Fighter jet. This is a fighter jet. It is fast and strong and protects the country. It can fly higher than most planes. Military helicopter. This is a military helicopter. It is used by the army to carry soldiers and equipment.